Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at Aussie Yen. Now, I just think that Aussie Yen has quite an interesting configuration on the daily. There's some people that have been asking, where Aussie Yen would be going now. So very quickly, let's start by looking at the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, we see that the Aussie Yen has already reached its previous high, okay, back at the start of December 2019, and we already revisited it at the start of June, right? And price has reversed off that high and seems to be traveling sideways. Okay, so we have our daily resistance here, and what I want to do is to put our daily support at this low, right? We have a daily support here. Okay, so I'll put a D for daily. And now that we have our daily resistance and daily support, let's go down to the 4-hour. Okay, so let me just tidy this chart up. Okay, we have our daily resistance over here, and we actually see that price has sort of been moving in a sideways manner, right? However, if we to combine the two peaks, okay, we see that price very interestingly, okay, has sort of broken out and is currently testing the descending trend line resistance now turn support. All right. However, this line seems fragile as best. This is just something for us to keep in mind. Okay, what is more important is that there is sort of a zigzag pattern, and we see a zigzag pattern like that. We use Fibonacci extension from low, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. And let's open all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the 61.8 is actually over here, is yet to be broken. Okay, the 61.8 has yet to be broken with the 100% all the way somewhere over here. All right, so let me just highlight the 61.8 and the 100% key Fibonacci extension levels. All right. And at the same time, this is our 4-hour, okay, 4-hour resistances. All right, and what I see is that there is a support down here for our support. All right, so people are actually curious now, with price holding in the center, would price go higher or would price go lower? Okay, for that, let's go down very quickly to the 1-hour. Okay, we can ignore this daily resistance because it's really too far away. Okay, I just want to focus on the more recent levels. Okay, so let's just watch over here. Now we see that price has actually made a run up before rejecting this level and then pushing back down, right? What I'm thinking is that price has already broken this sort of this support here, this ascending trend line support on a very short-term time frame. Okay, I'm expecting price to make a pullback and then go all the way down to the 4-hour support. All right, so of course we can use our Fibonacci retracement level from the low to the high, okay, and bring out all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the negative 27 also falls in line with the 4-hour resistance. All right, so and what the 61 is here, okay, is currently being tested, okay, but not to worry, this because now we're on a short-term time frame. The short-term time frame levels are not as important as the long-term time frame. Sorry, but I just want to find a confluence of levels, and the negative 27 confluence is right there. All right. So, like I said, I'm expecting now the price has broken below. I'm waiting for a pullback. Okay, a pullback to enter, and I'll use the Fibonacci ratio retracement. Open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and the pullback should happen at the 61.8, right? So what I can do is something like that. Okay, I can use this as my sell entry. All right, you see, it's really price is really pulling back. Okay, and I'll play down towards this level, the 4-hour, as my take profit. Okay, now where would I put my stop loss? My stop loss very clearly will be somewhere over here. All right. So on a very short-term time frame intraday, 1 hour, this will be my stop loss. What it means is that, okay, should price go above, all right, and break above the stop loss, it will mean that my short-term intraday bearish view is invalidated, and I can actually go long towards the next 4 hour resistance. All right. So this is a very short and quick analysis, intraday especially for Aussie yen. I hope this has been a useful video for you. Let's just wait for that pullback. All right, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis of Aussie yen. Wish you guys all the best. Take care and catch you guys tomorrow.